Hi guys, today I will explain how to check crypto transfer history in Binance. This process is simple and easy, and with the help of this method, you can check all the transfer history of your crypto, which you transfer through your Binance account to anyone. So, let's get started. Open your Binance application. Once it will be open, you will see a Binance icon on the left top. Click on it, and you will see a lot of different options, but from these, you have to select more services. Once you will click on more services, other feature of Binance will be expanded, and here you can see the option of buy crypto. Just click on it. You don't have to do anything here. Take a look on the right top. You can see an icon, click on it, and here you can see the option of transfer. Just click on it. And as you can see, here is my order record of transfer crypto. You can also select this specific range like clicking on the option filter, and here, choose your filter. You can also select the date, and here is the option of currency. You can also select your currency, like you can select all, and click on it and select your specific one. Here is some more options of successful, processing, or some others. So, once you apply the filter, click on the option Confirm. Then all of your history will be here. And it was the way by which you can check crypto transfer history in Binance.